Mao marks 4th anniversary with cryptic message. Tables are starting to turn. Justice and Constitutional Affairs Minister Norbert Mao has issued a reflective and politically charged message marking the 4th anniversary of the passing of a key figure, stirring speculation about the country's political trajectory. In a post shared on his official X, formerly Twitter account, early Friday morning, Mao commemorated the anniversary without explicitly naming the keys. Today is 4 years since you left us, he wrote. The message quickly drew significant public attention, garnering over 2,000 views within hours. The tone of the statement was notably solemn yet anticipatory. Mao addressed the departed, stating, "Tell God that we can't go on like this, but he knows what to do anyway." However, it was the closing sentiment that sparked the most intense debate among political analysts and followers. Let us just watch and wait. Tables are starting to turn, Mao added, suggesting a potential shift in the current political dynamics. Mao, who leads the Democratic Party, DP, and serves in the cabinet under the ruling National Resistance Movement, NRM, as part of a coalition government, has often been seen as a bridge between the opposition and the establishment. His message comes at a time of heightened political tension regarding succession debates and realignments ahead of future elections. The reference to tables turning is being interpreted by political observers as either a lament for the state of governance or a hint at an impending shake-up in the country's leadership landscape, as the country reflects on the legacy of the individual being commemorated, widely believed to be a former high-ranking official who passed away 4 years ago. Mao's words serve as a reminder of the unresolved political emotions lingering from that period, and we will not keep you guessing. That person is the late speaker, Jacob Oulanyah, who has passed away. And if you wonder why people love him so much, particularly in Acholi, he did a lot of things that these fake MPs can never do. And one of it is talking the truth about a power land. And we can never get tired of reminding you of this clip.
People are not going to school, and there is no pretending about the effect of this thing. There's no pretending about that. Nobody's showing. It's a problem. People are not going to school, and their future depends on that. And there should be intervention. But the overall thing is to find a solution to this problem, a lasting solution. That debate, when they talk about Ismadi Wildlife Reserve, I was in Parliament. It was moved by the Honorable Jovina Kare as Minister of State for Tourism. I was there. But we said, well, Ismadi, fine. Let's pass it. We passed it. We didn't know exactly what the problem was on the ground. But people in the camps.
So that's it. It is the day that marks 4 years since he passed away. May his soul rest in peace. And let us know, do you think Mao was trying to dig out Aringa? Type in the comment section.